नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू न्यूरो हब. Today's topic is hip bone. So basically, hip bone consists of three major bones, that is ilium, ischium and pubis. So ilium, that is the first bone. It lies superiorly. Where? Superiorly. And second bone is ischium. It lies at posterior-inferiorly. पोस्टीरो-इंफीरियरली मतलब पीछे की साइड और नीचे की साइड ये सेकंड बोन जो इस्चियम है ये प्रेजेंट होती है. एंड थर्ड बोन इज प्यूबिस. इट लाइज एंटीरियरली, आगे की तरफ. इट लाइज एंटीरियरली कि आगे की तरफ ये बोन सिचुएटेड होती है. सो बेसिकली these three innominate bones, what do you mean by innominate? Innominate means these three bones fuse together to form the hip bone. Hip bone is also known as coxal bone. The other name of hip bone is coxal bone. Okay, so let us start our today's topic, that is hip bone. We will start our topic with ilium. So basically ilium is the bone which lies dorsally. Ilium lies at the dorsal portion, means पीछे की तरफ. दिखाता हूं मैं आपको इस मॉडल के थ्रू. This bone is the ilium. Which bone is this? Ilium. This bone is the ilium. This is ilium. So basically this lies dorsally, पीछे की तरफ जो bone है. This is the ventral portion and this one is the dorsal portion. So this bone is the ilium. Let us talk about the features of ilium. Features of ilium. Before starting the features of ilium, we will discuss some nomenclature of this bone. So this is the ilium. This portion is the posterior side. This portion is the posterior side and this portion is the anterior side of the ilium. And this curve is the iliac crest. This curve is the iliac crest. So this is the anterior superior iliac spine. This lies at the anterior side. So this is the anterior superior iliac spine. Anterior superior iliac spine. Anterior superior iliac spine. This one is the anterior superior iliac spine, and this portion, this protuberance is the posterior superior iliac spine. Posterior superior iliac spine. Posterior superior iliac spine. And this curve is the iliac crest. What is this called? This curve is the iliac crest. Iliac crest. So these are some nomenclature. These are some nomenclature of the ilium bone. So we will talk about the features of the ilium bone. So let us begin with the features of the iliac bone. Basically, iliac bone consists of three borders and three surfaces. Three borders and three surfaces. So the border are anterior border, posterior border and medial border. Anterior border, posterior border and the medial border. So let us talk about the anterior border, where it is situated. Anterior border. Anterior border of ilium. So the anterior border extends from the, I told you this is anterior superior iliac spine. Look at this. This one is the anterior superior iliac spine. Anterior superior iliac spine. So it extends from the anterior superior iliac spine to the acetabulum. 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 See, what is acetabulum? This one. This deep cup-like structure. This deep cup-like structure is called acetabulum. So it forms the anterior border. See, this one is the anterior border, and it extends from the anterior superior iliac spine and up to the acetabulum. Anterior superior iliac spine to the, so this one is the anterior border of the ilium. Anterior border of the ilium. It extends from the anterior superior iliac spine to the acetabulum. Note it down, guys. Now we will talk about the posterior border. Posterior border. Let me tell you again. This is the acetabulum, this is the anterior superior iliac spine, and the anterior border extends from the anterior superior iliac spine up to the acetabulum. So now we will talk about the posterior border of the ilium. The posterior border extends from, is it visible? Extends from posterior superior iliac spine to the, wait, let me make it more clear. Posterior border. The posterior border of iliac spine, posterior border extends from the, where is chalk? Thanks. Posterior superior iliac spine up to, posterior superior iliac spine up to upper half of the greater sciatic notch. Now let me describe what is greater sciatic notch. See, this is ilium, this one is the ilium, this is the iliac crest I told you about, this one is the anterior superior iliac spine, and this one is the acetabulum. The acetabulum lies laterally on the outer surface. So this anterior border extends from the anterior superior iliac spine up to the acetabulum. Now we will talk about posterior border. So see, this one is the posterior superior iliac spine, and this one is the anterior superior iliac spine, and this portion is the posterior superior. We will keep the pelvic bone like this. So this portion comes posteriorly. So the posterior superior border, see, this is the posterior superior iliac spine. The posterior border extends from the posterior superior iliac spine up to the upper half of the sciatic notch. This one is the sciatic notch. See, this one is the sciatic notch. So this portion is the upper half. This portion is the upper half of the sciatic notch. So this one is the posterior border, extends from the posterior superior iliac spine up to the upper half of the sciatic notch. Why upper half of the sciatic notch? Because the lower half of the sciatic notch consists of the ischium bone. Ischium bone वहाँ से start हो जाती है, इस वजह से upper half of the sciatic notch से ही तक क्या राइज करती है posterior border of the ilium. So posterior superior iliac spine up to the upper half of the greater sciatic notch. Again let me explain you. This one is the greater sciatic notch. This one is the greater sciatic notch and this one is the posterior superior iliac spine, and it extends from the posterior superior iliac spine up to the upper half of the greater sciatic notch. Now let me tell about the medial border. Where is the duster? Medial border. So medial border of the ilium, I am talking about the features of ilium, right? So the medial border of the ilium extends from the iliac crest. I told you this one is the iliac crest. Iliac crest up to the iliopubic eminence. See, this is the ilium and this is the pubis bone. Pubis bone lies anteriorly. Where the ilium and pubis meets, जहाँ पे इलियम और प्यूबिस मीट होती है वहाँ पे एक प्रोट्रूबरेंस होता है, एक एमिनेंस प्रेजेंट होता है. देखिए ये एक उभार नुमा एमिनेंस यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है. सो वेयर द इलियम एंड द प्यूबिस मीट्स, दिस पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड इलियोप्यूबिक एमिनेंस. सो the medial border, see, this medial border extends from the iliac crest up to the iliopubic eminence. Let me again describe it. The medial border extends from the iliac crest, this one is the iliac crest up to the iliopubic. I am drawing a line here. This line is the medial border of the ilium. Okay, so medial border of the ilium extends from the iliac crest up to the iliopubic eminence. This protuberance, this eminence means कोई उभार नुमा स्ट्रक्चर है जो इलियम और प्यूबिस को जोड़ रही है और वहाँ पे एक उभार बन रहा है, उसको हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? इलियोप्यूबिक eminence. I hope you got my point. So medial border, wrote it down, extends from the iliac crest up to iliopubic eminence. I hope you got my point. So these are the three borders of the ilium. Now let me talk about the surface of the ilium. Surface of the ilium. Three surfaces are present. First one is the gluteal surface. Which one? Gluteal surface. First surface. The second surface is iliac fossa. And the third surface is sacropelvic surface. So what is sacropelvic surface? Let me explain. See, this one is the gluteal surface. Posteriorly, this one is the posterior part of the ilium. Posterior surface is the gluteal surface. तो ये वाला जो surface आपको दिख रहा है, इसको हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? Gluteal surface. और ये जो medial border के above है, this one is the medial border. Medial border extends from the iliac crest to the iliopubic eminence. So medial border के ऊपर वाला जो surface है, this one is the iliac fossa. Fossa means कोई गड्ढा नुमा स्ट्रक्चर है जहाँ पे इलियम बोन का जो डिप्रेशन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, इसको हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? we will nomenclature it as like iliac fossa. Now the third one is the sacropelvic surface. What is sacropelvic surface? See, this is the iliac tuberosity. This one, जो आपका ये वाला मीडियल बॉर्डर के नीचे एक ट्यूब्रोसिटी है जिसको हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, इलियक ट्यूब्रोसिटी। सो ये इलियक ट्यूब्रोसिटी से ये पेल्विस वाला जो सरफेस है यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, तो ये वाला जो सरफेस होगा इसको हम बोलेंगे क्या, सैक्रोपेल्विक सरफेस। आई होप यू गॉट माई पॉइंट। सो व्हाट इज ग्लूटियल सरफेस? ग्लूटियल सरफेस इज द पोस्टीरियर सरफेस, right? And what is iliac fossa? Above the medial border, above the medial border is the iliac fossa. And what is sacropelvic surface? Is it visible? What is sacropelvic surface? The sacropelvic surface is surface below the medial border. I hope you got my point. So now we will talk about the pubis bone. Let me delete it. Again let me make you revise. There are three borders. Anterior border. The anterior border extends from the anterior border extends from the, see this is the anterior border. Anterior border extends from the anterior superior iliac spine up to the obturator foramen, anterior superior iliac spine up to the acetabulum, and the posterior border extends from the posterior superior iliac spine up to the see, this one is the upper half of the greater sciatic notch, and the medial border extends from the iliac crest up to the iliopubic eminence. And there are three surfaces of the ilium. This one is the gluteal surface, posterior surface is the gluteal surface, this one is the iliac fossa, and this is the sacropelvic surface which lies from the iliac tuberosity. This portion is the iliac tuberosity and the pelvis. So sacrum plus pelvis is the sacropelvic surface of the ilium bone. So now we will talk about the pubis. So pubis, features of pubis bone. See, pubis bone is divided into two major portions. This one, it lies anteriorly. ये वाली जो बोन आपको देखने को मिल रही है, ये वाली जो बोन है, ये कौन सी बोन है? प्यूबिस बोन है. So pubis consists of two ramus and one body. What is ramus? Ramus means arm or extended portion of a bone, extension of a bone, right? So basically this ramus is, see, this one is the pubis bone, this is the superior ramus. What is it? This one is the superior ramus of the pubis bone. This one is the inferior ramus. This one is the inferior ramus of the pubis bone. This one is the superior ramus of the pubis bone. This one is the inferior ramus of the pubis bone. And this portion is the body. This portion is the body of the pubis bone. Body of the pubis bone. So let us talk about the borders of the pubis. Acha, ramus, let me write about the ramus. Superior ramus and inferior ramus. I told you about superior ramus and inferior ramus. What is inferior ramus? Inferior ramus means the arm, किसी चीज का एक्सटेंशन या किसी बोन का एक्सटेंशन है. देखिए तो ये क्या है, इस बोन का आर्म लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, एक्सटेंशन है, इसलिए इसको सुपीरियर रेमस बोल रहे हैं. और इस वाले पोर्शन को हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? इन्फीरियर रेमस बोल रहे हैं. और ये बीच वाला जो पोर्शन है ये क्या है? बॉडी. क्या है ये? बॉडी. द सुपीरियर रेमस इज लोकेटेड अबव द ऑब्ट्यूरेटर foramen. This is the obturator foramen. So the superior ramus is just located above the obturator foramen. I hope you got my point. See, this one is the pubic crest. This portion is the pubic crest. ये वाला जो portion आपको दिखाई दे रहा है ये क्या है? pubic crest. I hope आपको ये पॉइंट समझ में आया होगा. The superior ramus just is located above the obturator foramen. This one is the obturator foramen and this one is the superior ramus. So superior ramus is just located above the obturator foramen. This is the superior ramus, this one is the obturator foramen. ये जो बीच में गड्ढा है ये क्या है? obturator foramen. इस obturator foramen के ऊपर जो पोर्शन है उसे हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? सुपीरियर रेमस. और प्यूबिक क्रेस्ट जो है वो ये वाला जो उभार नुमा प्रोपोर्शन है ये वाला, दिस वन इज द प्यूबिक क्रेस्ट. आई होप यू गॉट माई पॉइंट. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द इस्चियम. वेयर इज द डस्टर? Posterior inferior part of the this one, this bone is the ischium. This bone is the ischium up to here. Posterior inferior part, ischium is the posterior inferior part of the hip bone. पोस्टीरियर इंफीरियर पार्ट. अगर दोबारा से मैं आपको दिखाने की कोशिश करूं, देखें ये क्या है? पोस्टीरियर इंफीरियर पार्ट. देखें पीछे की ओर है. दिस वन इज द पोस्टीरियर पार्ट, सी लाइक दिस. दिस वन इज द एंटीरियर एंड दिस पोर्शन इज द पोस्टीरियर. सो पोस्टीरियर इंफीरियर पार्ट, दिस बोन इज द फ्रॉम here, this bone is the posterior inferior part and which is called as ischium. So this portion is ischium, this anterior portion is this is the superior ramus of the pubis, this is the inferior ramus of the pubis, this is the pubic crest, and behind the inferior ramus starts the ischium bone. So basically the ischium bone comprises of body and the ramus. See, it comprises of body and ramus. Where is the ramus? Ramus means arm or extension. See, this is the ramus, right? And this one is the body of the ischium. So this ramus of the ischium and the ramus of the pubis is together called, it comprises of body and ramus. It conjoins with pubic rami to form ischio-pubis ramus. I hope you got my point. Again, let me explain it. This is the superior ramus of the pubis bone. Note it down, pubis bone. This is the inferior ramus of the pubis bone. And up to here, this is the inferior ramus. But from here, see, this one is the ramus of the ischium, and this portion is the body of the ischium. I hope you got my point. So basically this is all about the hip bone. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you very much. We will discuss about the next topic in our next class. Namaskar.